We pray for better days.
Hey, good evening everyone. Just a quick video today to show you the easiest way in the UK to buy stocks and shares tax-free, which has been set up by the UK government. I wish someone would have told me a lot sooner about this, so I'm hoping to pass on the message to everybody else. So without further ado, let's have a quick look. Alright, so what on earth was I talking about just then? I was talking about an individual savings account, i.e. an ISA. Now, a lot of you may have heard of these, but I certainly hadn't when I started out in investing, and I wish I'd learned about them a lot sooner. The amazing thing about them is they're completely tax-free. It doesn't matter how much money you have in there, it doesn't matter how much you make, you won't be able to be taxed. The only unfortunate thing is they're only available within the UK. The reason the UK government sets them up is to encourage people to save long-term as a means, as an alternative to a pension, I suppose. So there's lots of different types, there's 5 different types. The one we're talking about today is a stocks and shares ISA. So as I've already said, tax-free, absolutely amazing. Doesn't matter how much money you make in them, you can't be taxed at all until you take it out, I believe. Normally, if you were to make any profits on your stocks and shares, capital gains tax kicks in around the 12,300 mark. So anything over and above that you would be taxed for, and I believe the tax rate is about 10-11%, something like that. One of the limitations on them is that you can only invest up to £20,000 a year. That's plenty of money. Unlikely I'll be exceeding that anyway. You have to pay £100 up front. And just a few words, yeah, they're absolutely incredible. I mean, I really can't. I think a lot of people who are other nationalities would be very jealous to know that we're able to do this in the UK. So it's absolutely amazing. So it's as simple as typing in Google stocks and shares ISA and just having a little look through. One thing I will say from experience is that you want to stay away from your big high street banks. Now, I'm not going to name any names. I shouldn't really do that, but generally speaking, they offer very high fees and a very low variety of stocks you're able to buy within your ISA account. The mark of a better stocks and shares provider is one that has a lot of scope and a lot of variety in terms of the stocks and shares you can buy. Generally, there's a trade-off, which will mean that you have to pay a little bit more in terms of fees, but it's just about shopping around and finding the right deal. I have a stocks and shares ISA account holder. I don't want to go into pushing products on YouTube, of course, but I've got one that is quite good. It's reasonable fees, but it's a huge variety of stocks and shares that I'm able to choose from, which is incredible. I can even buy cryptocurrency on it, I believe, as well, which is very much the pinnacle of what any of them might offer you. So that would be my advice. Anybody in the UK who is planning to get into investing, like I say, I wish someone would have told me about this sooner. It's an absolutely incredible vehicle through which to do so, to buy shares, stocks, whatever you fancy, and the fact that it's tax-free is absolutely incredible. So just a short video tonight, just wanted to let everybody know that these do exist. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you later.